So I'm Michael Hunter. I'm Director of Maintenance for PGT. Been here just over 1 year now. So originally from Louisiana, a small town called Gina, Louisiana. Born into a military family. My dad was in Vietnam when I was born. Married my mom as soon as he got back. Stayed in the military. So I grew up traveling the world. Spent a lot of time, total time about 15 years in Europe and throughout, I think, 4 different states in the United States. Going through high school, we ended up back in Louisiana when my dad retired. So I joined the military myself. I joined the National Guard at the time, but then it was time to go to basic training. So went to basic, went to specialized training, and 2 months later, Desert Storm kicked off. My National Guard unit was activated there. I was on a maintenance team that took care of those, the firepower and the chassis engine stuff on those tanks. Went back to college after that and decided, I kind of like that military lifestyle. So put in to be transferred from National Guard to regular duty Army. Got accepted a couple months later and 23 years later retired. Personally, I think it helped shape who I am now because I was exposed to so many different cultures, so many different languages. I just realized that no one way is the right way. People are the same inherently. There's just different cultures wherever you are. And, whether you're a happy-go-lucky person or whether you're a little more serious tone like I am, I think people can realize when you're around other good people. And that's what makes a family stay together. It's not always sunshine and cool breezes. Sometimes it gets a little hot under the collar. And, sometimes there's a lot of pressure, a lot of stress. But you have to be able to see through that, work with the people around you, and come together to figure out a way to get through it. Honor your word. If you say you're going to do something, do it. Focus on what you're doing and do it right the first time. And be honest with people. I think that keeps you out of trouble and it keeps you honest and it makes people respect you. And no matter what you do in life, as long as you have that type of respect from people, you'll go far.